CH₃IF Lewis structure. This is called fluoroiodomethane. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 multiplied by 2 as we have 2 hydrogen atom. Iodine has 7 valence electron, fluorine has 7. So totally we have 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect this 5 atom together, and the second task is to fulfill the octet and duet of the atoms. So for connecting we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Now fulfill the octet of outer atom first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Now we have used all the valence electron. Now we have to count for octet and duet. Duet, octet, octet. Now count for the octet of central atom carbon. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond, 4 bond, plus it is the least electronegative, and hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So we can say that this is the Lewis structure. We can replace this bonding pair by a line. So this is the structural formula or another way of writing Lewis structure for fluoroiodomethane.